everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Super Andhray blog. It's me again, Andhray Dmitri.
And for the breaking news. Meanwhile, in the Gulf region, a 9-month-old baby named Andhray Dmitri wants to walk. What? Who produced this report? Are you kidding me? A 9-month-old baby made his first 3 steps without support. Well, that's remarkable. Here's the report.
Being different. No fever or flu since birth. Now he's up to new challenges. The little man wants to walk. He's doing everything to succeed. In this video, he is pushing 17 kilograms of weight to keep him on his feet. Or he'll flip the cart upside down.
That's an awesome baby out there. Good job, Andhray.